Hello and welcome to Crescat Search Verdict, the SEO show that takes the stand for law firms. Each week we deliver a clear ruling on what changed in search, what it means for law firms, and what to do next. No jargon, no waffle, just the verdict. We've got 3 updates this week that are worth your attention. First up, Google has just rolled out major updates to its AI mode and AI overviews features. And for law firms, this is great news. Google is now surfacing more links alongside AI answers. We're talking inline links placed next to relevant text, suggested links for related topics, and best of all, previews of pages when you hover over a link on desktop. Google finally seems to be sending more traffic back to actual websites, including yours. For law firms, this means your articles, practice area pages, and advice guides have a real shot at appearing inside an AI answer, not instead of a link, but as the link. The firms that benefit most here will be the ones producing original, trustworthy first-hand content. Not generic SEO filler, actual expert guidance written by your solicitors or by writers who know your practice areas deeply. Google's own language around this update uses the words original content, first-hand perspectives, and trusted sources. That is your brief. Next, something that may have caused some confusion in your reporting meetings recently. Google has confirmed that a logging error in Search Console caused impression data to be inaccurately reported for nearly a year, from May 2025 to late April this year. The fix has now been applied going forward, but, and this is important, the historical data has not been corrected retroactively. So if you pull a year-over-year comparison in your Search Console performance report, the numbers you're looking at are not apples to apples. What are marketeers observing now that a fix is in place? Well, impressions appear to be going up, but click-through rates are dropping. That's a pattern worth watching. It may mean your pages are being seen more in AI-generated answers, but users aren't always clicking through. For your firm, it means this year's impressions will be more relevant than ever. We suggest using the next 3 months to establish a new baseline. This will help calibrate 2026 impression data for comparison next year. Knowing this issue exists will also be useful should it need explaining at a partner-level meeting. For our third update, Google has announced it will no longer show FAQ-rich results in search. The FAQ appearance in search results drops in June 2026, followed by Search Console API support in August. If your law firm's website has FAQ sections marked up with FAQ page schema, those little expandable question and answer boxes that used to appear directly in search results, those visual enhancements are going away. But here's the nuance. You should not strip out the markup from your site. Why? Because Google and Bing are both doubling down on structured data in their AI-first documentation. Schema markup helps search engines understand your content, even when it doesn't produce a visible, rich result. For law firms specifically, FAQ content is incredibly valuable for capturing the kinds of plain language questions your potential clients type into search. Do I need a solicitor to make a will? What is the time limit on a personal injury claim? Keep writing that content, keep marking it up. Just don't expect the visual accordion in search results anymore. Alright, that's your search marketing update for this week. 3 stories all filtered through the lens of what actually matters for law firm marketing. As a quick recap, lean into original expert content to capitalize on Google's AI mode changes, monitor those year-on-year data impressions and establish a new baseline, and keep your FAQ schema in place, even though the visual result is disappearing. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next episode, and if there's a topic you'd like us to highlight, drop it in the comments. Until next time, I'm Adam Ward, case closed.